And here I have the Ducard V7 Pro Sonic Toothbrush. It's an electric toothbrush for adults. Has a 4,000, is it 4,000 or 40,000 VPM? So I guess that's kind of like the vibration in it. Different modes and rechargeable, and let's check it out. So anyway, I've already used this. I actually put the stuff back in the box just so you can see what's in the box. You get your directions, you get your charging cable, and what's cool about this is that this doesn't have like a base plate or platform that's going to get dirty. So that's what's cool, is you have just a regular plug-in right here, and then USB on the other side to plug in. Okay, it comes with a bunch of different brush heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brush heads, and 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay, so you can just unlock and pull it off and replace those brush heads once you have used them up. They say about maybe 3 months or so, and then you can lock it back on. Okay, here's the front. You've got your power button, and right away you can start hearing it. You've got 3 speeds here. Hopefully you can hear that. Okay, and then let's see. You can press the power button again. You've got different things here: clean, massage, white, and sensitive teeth. So you've got different settings for those. You tap it once and it goes to massage. Tap it again, goes to white. Tap it again, it goes to sensitive. Then you've got your speeds that you can adjust. But I've already used this, and you probably, I don't know if you can see the vibration in the video at all. I've already used this and it feels great. It's not too tickly on your teeth or your gums, and really seemed to work well. And my teeth felt very clean and like I just had polished from the dentist. So anyway, this is the Ducard V7 Pro Sonic Toothbrush, and highly recommend it. It actually has stops about every 30 seconds to tell you to kind of move to a different part of your mouth. But let's turn it off, just like that. And I think what's great, like it says here in the back, 40,000 strokes per minute, 60-day battery life. So that's awesome that it holds a charge that long. 4 modes, 3 intensity settings, 2 minutes, smart timer, 9 brush heads, and waterproof, of course. So anyway, this is the Ducard V7 Pro Sonic Toothbrush. Highly recommend.